Hello, my name is Kellen Niram, and I'm going to be talking about the economics of Brazil. If we take a look at this graph here, we can see the inflation rate over a period of time. We can see that the inflation rate has flatlined over these recent years, which is a good sign for Brazil. Next, we got some of their top exports, which is soybeans for 26.1 billion, and their top imports of refined petroleum for 12.4 billion. They use this petroleum as fueling, heating, paving roads, and electricity. And their GDP was 1.878 trillion. Now, some of the business in Brazil, their economic growth can be explained by their increase in trade with the United States, China, and Chile. Those products that are exported include iron ore, soybeans, and crude petroleum. Some of Brazil's major imports are from the United States, China, and Germany. Their product imports were blood, antisera, vaccines, toxins, and cultures, refined petroleum, and mixed minerals or chemical fertilizers. And in 2019, Brazil's imports were 177 billion and exports were 230 billion. So they had a net gain there, which is pretty good. Next, talking about some of Brazil's currency and their Brazilian dollars called Brazilian real. And $1 US equals 5.5 reais. And on their dollar bill, Pedro Alvares Cabral was one of the first navigators to explore Brazil from Europe. He's on that picture of their dollar. And on the back of Brazil's paper currency, features a bunch of different wildlife that this explorer Pedro saw during his first exploration. Next, a little more about Brazil's GDP. We got in 2019, their nominal GDP in US dollars was 1.84 trillion, and they were also ranked 9th in the global GDP. They're the largest in South America when we take a look at their economics. They have a large agricultural sector as well as aircraft and automotive production and mineral and energy extraction.